Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. For example, I'm going to add drop-down list to this column. I'm going to create the list of gifts, and if we want to add drop-down list, we need to select the column first like this. You can select the column or the row you want to add the drop-down list to, and after the column has been selected, you can go to the data menu and you're going to go to the section data tools, and you can choose data validation here, and then you can select the data validation, and here you can add the validation criteria. I'm just going to add list since we want to create drop-down list, and for the source I'm just going to add it here manually. I'm going to add for example doll, and then pencil case, and then notebook like this. And once you're done adding the list, you just need to click on OK. You can use semicolon or comma. It depends on your Microsoft Excel setting. Mine is semicolon, so I'm using it to add the list. Okay, and just click on this button and you will be able to get the list here. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to drop down a list in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.